Hey everyone, welcome back or welcome to another episode of Life with Marianne and Joe. So today's episode is a little bit different than what I would normally do. Marianne's chair in her office was a leather chair and it started to peel and it's been bothering her a lot. So I went out today and I got a chair in Staples and I'm going to show you how I'm going to put that together and surprise her when she gets home. So let me go get that box. I almost forgot to say that, you can get these things put together in the store that you buy them in, but they charge, sometimes they charge $20, $30, $50. If you can't do it, go ahead, but it's really easy to do. And I'm going to show you step by step how I do this. All right, so here is the chair. It's a union and scale mesh and fabric chair. And I'm going to unbox it and I'll show you all the pieces. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is make sure everything that's supposed to be here is here. So here is the box of essentials that comes in here. And it sounds like I have to open this up in a second, but I'm going to get the rest of the stuff out. It feels like the wheels and some screws maybe. Here is one of the arms. The other arm. Get rid of that. This looks like the air thing that makes it go up and down. Chair. Here is the back of the chair. No, that's the seat of the chair. And here is the back of the chair. And here is the base of the chair. Okay, I don't see anything else in that box. So the next thing to do is to open up that essentials. All right, so very important. The first thing is you find the instruction book and it tells you how easy the assembly is. We'll see about that. And the chair and its features, and the instructions begin right here where the page is stuck together, right here. Okay, so now they have these right here and they're marked by number, which screw is which, and it also gives you the little tool that you need to tighten everything. And then in this box as well is the air compressor thing that raises and lowers the chair, and then the wheels, the 5 wheels, which is right here. So let me go through it and make sure everything is here. So this is what the wheels look like, and it has this little peg right here, and all you have to simply do is push it into the holes right here. There's no tightening or anything like that. Okay, so here you see the wheels are on. Okay. Next thing is the canister that raises and lowers the seat, and it just says to drop it right here into the hole. Next will be the armrests, and it tells you they want you to put screws A in, and this little package is marked A. And they also give you the little tool, which is right here, to put them into the seat. So let me get that adjusted. Okay, now here's the base of the seat, and they try to make it so you're not going to make a mistake. It's marked front. Here's the front right here. And then you can see there's 3 holes right there for screws, and it's with an R for the right side. And then 3 over here with the left side. And then you have 2 more here and 2 more, but we didn't get there yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the handles on. Now, what you need to do is you need to make sure that the handle is in the right position. Okay. So if this was the front of the, oops, if this is the front, what happens is the handle has to go this way with this towards the back. Okay, so see that length right there? So then this is obviously, here is the front, and then here is the right side. Okay, let me put that in. Okay, so you want to put the screws in here. So there's 3 openings right here. So I'm just dropping it in, and I'm going to hand tighten it at first, and then I'm going to hand tighten this one. And then you use this little tool right here, and you simply tighten it up. Now, you know, don't go crazy like that. You're going to break the plastic of the chair. Just tight enough, and if you have to tighten it again, you have to tighten it again. So hold on to the tool. So I'm going to make it snug without breaking anything. Okay, so now the other side. Okay, so I have the 2 armrests on, and you can see I have this, make sure that it's facing in that direction. Here's the front, and they're facing in this direction. Okay, so you want to make sure that you line it up the correct way. So here you see they have the armrests going forward and the left side over here. So here I have my arms going forward, just like in the diagram. I have the front of the chair right here, and then you can see there's a series of holes here. There's these 2 in the center, and then these groupings right here. Now the next piece on is this right here, the thing that allows you to raise and lower the chair. So now if you look at the picture right here, this thing right here is towards the front of the chair. So you want to line that up with the front of the chair and then screw this in. All right, so I have my 4 screws in here and here and here and here. And to double check it, look, they even put front right there. So that's the front of the chair to make sure you have it in the right place. So this was in, these screws were in envelope B, and now once again I'm going to tighten them up. All right, so there you go, nice and tight on there. And the next thing on the list of instructions is to put the back of the chair on. Okay, so let me go get the back of the chair and the screws that go to that. All right, so once again, here's the back of the chair. You can see right here, I have it hanging off the side of the table, and there's 4 openings for the screws, and there's 4 openings here. 1, 2, 3, here it is, and 4, and the corresponding envelope with the screws for this. And then what you do is you turn the chair right side up, and this opening goes right on that canister that is in the wheelbase. I'm going to put that on right now because I can't let this go because it'll fall on the floor. And there you go, easy peasy. There is the chair. Hope that is helpful if you're going to put something like this together, and I hope Marianne likes it. Bye-bye. Take care.